Hi guys, today I'm here with an ultra large, very powerful humidifier. Now definitely the right time to buy a humidifier, and this is an awesome thing. Covers up to 500 square feet, has a huge tank of 2.3 gallons. It has even a built-in timer, has a box for aromatherapy, has 3 speeds and runs very quiet. So this could be the perfect thing for you. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what you get and then how it will work in real life. And so we have the large box here, that's the brand, that's the model type. Also some additional specs here on the side. And so here's what we get. You can see everything comes nicely protected. A really large humidifier. And what I like, even though it's very large, it's still very easy to take out. And so here we have all the accessories. And here the upper part with the control unit. So the instructions manual describes everything in detail, but I can tell you everything is super easy to assemble, super easy to use, but I'm going to show you that now. So we need 4 of these screws, and so we start with one of these feet, put the screw through it, secure it a little bit, and then we align the tip of this screw with one of these holes and screw it just inside. So we do that for all 4 feet. We can use also a screwdriver with low torque. Make sure that the feet are stable. And now we can fill the lower part either from a bucket or, for example, from garden hose or in a shower. So make sure that you are not overfilling. Just watch this maximum fill level here. And then it's time to put the control unit on top. Just feed the pump with the water hose here inside into the bucket and then align it properly here on top, push it down. Of course, now time to plug in the device. And so we have these really nice sensor buttons which we can use, for example, to turn it on. We see already the current humidity level and the temperature, and you can see it starts working automatically. And so we have the different humidity levels, and so that's level 1, but you can see it's already pretty strong. Level 2, level 3, and especially on level 3 it's absolutely awesome. You can see how much fog we are creating here. And what's also awesome is that we have this rotatable nozzle, so we can point it into any direction which we need. So we can even use it in a corner and then blow the whole humidity in the middle of the room. So that's a super convenient feature here. So I point this to the side, otherwise we can't see anything. It's so much fog, so much humidity. You also have this sleep function, starts blinking, and after that the display will turn off. That's very helpful if you want to use that in a bedroom. Just with a push brings it back, but we have also a second function here. When we long press, we can put it into a lock mode, so children can't do anything. That can be also very helpful if you have children. With a long press, we can put it back into normal mode. Then we have different automatic settings of humidity. Starts with 40%, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. Yeah, very high. We can even increase up to 90, and then starts with 40%. By the way, on top of the 90%, we have this infinite level. Of course, then it will never stop. Otherwise, it will stop automatically when it has reached the target humidity. You can see we have set it to 40%. Now it's 66%, and it has fully stopped. And on top of everything, we have even a very convenient timer function. Starts with 1 hour and goes up all the way to 12 hours if we want that, and then after that time it would stop automatically. Or we can go also in the infinite level where it's working all the time. So when we have it without a timer and are using it without target humidity level, then it will run all the time till the water is used up. And what we also notice is how quiet this is. Now it's running on level 1. So I stopped talking for a couple of seconds. Yeah, there was absolutely nothing to hear. So let's increase that. Level 2 also very quiet level, and even level 3 there is absolutely nothing to hear. Absolutely perfect, even with very strong fog, almost nothing to hear. That's absolutely perfect. So an absolute beauty of a humidifier. You can see how beautiful this is. And what we have here in the back, that's very interesting. We have this very convenient carry handle, so we can easily lift it out, put it in another place. And on top we have this essential oil tray. We can just push here inside, take it out, fill it up, put a couple of drops of essential oil in it, and then push it back. Absolutely awesome, very convenient. And also maintenance and cleaning is pretty easy, so we can just pull out the upper part. And it's even 2 parts. We can just pull this out, and you can see we have access to everything, can clean everything nicely. Also this part here. So I really love this thing, really large, powerful, has all the options, so I can give you full recommendation. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.